I have lost over 100 pounds without counting a single calorie. Every time I show you guys the meals that I make, you're always wondering what the calorie count is, and I have no clue because I don't count them. I follow a Plate It method, so I'm given basic guidelines on how each meal should look, and that's what I follow. So for lunch, my plate is supposed to be half veggies, a quarter protein, and a quarter fiber-filled carb. So for lunch, I'm making one of my favorite quick and easy meals. It's simple, and it takes like 5 minutes to cook. I'm gonna make shrimp fried rice. So first I already thawed out all my shrimp, and then I'm just gonna remove the tails and put them on a paper towel to soak up some of the water so that it's not water. If you have not had the vegetable fried rice from Trader Joe's, you need to go get some, but this is what I'm gonna use. So I don't always measure out my carbs, but I'm using a cup and a quarter of this. Seriously, so good. Heat up a tablespoon of olive oil in a skillet and let it get really hot. I'm also going to use about a cup of frozen cauliflower rice, and I'm going to put it in the skillet frozen too. And you don't have to do this, but for extra veggies, I am going to cut up a zucchini and throw it in there too because I have a ton of zucchini and I need to use it. So dump your vegetable fried rice in there. Add your frozen cauliflower rice and add your zucchini. Stir it up and let it cook for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. One of my biggest tips for weight loss is finding something that you can do for the rest of your life. It can't be something that you're only going to do for a month that's not sustainable. That is how a lot of people fail at weight loss because they restrict, and cut out all of their favorite foods and then binge on them on the weekends and overeat so that they can start over on Monday. And it's a bad cycle. Once your veggies are cooked, add your shrimp, a little bit of liquid aminos. This is what I use. Some garlic powder and salt and pepper. Stir it all together and let it cook. And I have to work today, so I'm just gonna put it in a Tupperware bowl and take it to work with me. It's quick, it's easy, it's one of my favorite things. If you're feeling a little spicy, you can add a little bit of sriracha mayo on top to give it a little spice. And that's it. I'll eat this whole thing and still feel so full, so satisfied, and lose weight. Enjoy.